Godox SL60II-D 2Pack Videolicht-Kit Review, the complete studio setup that solved everything. You're 20 minutes into recording your podcast when you realize your guest's face is half in shadow and the other half looks washed out. You stop, adjust the lamp, start again. Still awful. Your expensive microphone captures perfect audio, but the video looks like it was shot in a basement. Nobody tells you good audio means nothing when your lighting screams amateur. Sound familiar? Here's what happens next. You spend hours in post trying to salvage footage that's too dark or unevenly lit. Clients notice. Viewers click away. That suffocating feeling when you know your content deserves better, but your lighting just can't deliver it. One creator told me he lost a brand deal because his video quality didn't match his audio professionalism. Hope exists, and it's simpler than you think. This is where the Godox SL60II-D LED Videolicht-Kit 2Pack enters, and everything shifts. Don't just pick any video light kit. Make sure it has built-in effects and app control so you never experience the frustration of static, inflexible lighting that locks you into one boring look again. This complete kit includes two powerful LED lights pumping out 18,600 lux each, two square softboxes with honeycomb grids that soften and control your light beautifully, two sturdy light stands, wireless remote controls, and Bluetooth app connectivity that lets you adjust brightness from your phone. The CRI rating of 96+ ensures skin tones look natural without endless color correction in post. A YouTube creator I know was about to miss her upload deadline because her old lights kept flickering on camera. She switched to this kit, shot clean footage in one take, and posted on time with zero color grading needed. The honeycomb grids eliminate spill, so your background stays dark and dramatic when you want it. The difference is instant. You'll wonder how you tolerated inconsistent lighting for so long. Stay tuned. There's a built-in lightning effect almost nobody uses that transforms moody B-roll instantly. Drop Upgrade if you're ready for lighting that actually works. Here's what transforms when your lighting finally works with you instead of against you. You save 20 minutes per shoot not fighting shadows and hotspots, which leads to faster uploads and more consistent content, which builds viewer trust and channel growth, which delivers the professional credibility you've been working toward. A studio lighting expert noted, for an entry-level kit, the output consistency and color accuracy are commendable. The Bowens mount opens up a vast ecosystem of affordable modifiers. A filmmaking influencer said, "This kit is perfect for home studios. The soft light from the included softboxes is very flattering, and the app control is a game changer for solo creators." A podcast host shared, "We bought this for our two-person setup and it transformed our video quality immediately. The lights run cool and quiet enough that fan noise isn't picked up by our microphones. I noticed after 3 weeks that I stopped second-guessing my lighting during recordings because I could see exactly how my subject looked in real time." Quick question, which feature matters most to you? Comment 1 for the app control, 2 for the included softboxes, 3 for the dual light setup. Now, about the price concern. Yes, professional lighting used to cost thousands, but this complete kit delivers broadcast-quality results for a fraction of that investment, and the Bowens mount means you can expand with affordable third-party modifiers as you grow. Thousands of creators ask me, does it really stay cool and quiet during long shoots? Absolutely. Drop Studio below if you're done settling for amateur-looking footage. Your content deserves lighting that supports your creative vision instead of fighting it. The Godox SL60II-D LED Videolicht-Kit 2Pack gives you two professional-grade LED lights, complete softbox modifiers, honeycomb grids, light stands, and wireless control. Everything you need to shoot like a pro out of the box. Results may vary based on your space and shooting style. Many podcasters, YouTubers, and small studios have already made the switch and report dramatically improved production quality. Links in the description, first one pinned to the top. This is the lighting kit that finally makes your video match your vision.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.